You might not think that you are an influencer, but you are. And now, my 360. Have a great day. Good evening. Good evening. I know that some people think they don't really influence others, and sometimes I say I'm not so easily influenced. But I'm going to a place now that I had no plans to go to, and it's all because I watched a video. I watched a video by I Love Bright Colors. And there's another video I watched, and I even ordered something that I thought was really nice because I saw that video. So you might not think that you are an influencer, but you are. Just keep watching. Now, right over there, you'll see a tissue, a piece of tissue, and it looks like the piece of tissue is behind some books. But that's actually a tissue box holder, and I was influenced by Locs and more to purchase that. I purchased two, so I have one in my dining room area and also in my living room. So I've been influenced. Now, these are the things that I bought from TJ Maxx. I bought a candle. I love buying the candles that have the wooden wick because it burns much slower, it lasts longer. I bought the bergamot and honey wood wick.
Wow, that's cool.
It is cool.
Wait, is that the same one?
And this is the same kind, but this one is called honey tea.
Okay.
And I bought some dish towels. And of course you saw where I did like a little clip of showing you this frizz be gone. I'm gonna see if this works on my hair. Eventually I'll do a video using the frizz be gone and see how it works on my frizz. But those are the things that I purchased from TJ Maxx. It was a total of $33.13. I had $30 in rewards, so I spent $3.13 for these things. I like going to TJ Maxx, but it was not my intention to go there during the holidays. And so, yes, I have been influenced.